Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shamli. Hope you all are doing well. I am too. So, this is currently lockdown time, so stay at home and stay safe first of all. And yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna show you our daily makeup look without concealer and any foundation. So yeah, this is my look. So in this look I have used some bright color eye shades because I wanted to match it with my top, but you can use any nude shade or light shade if you don't want some bright colors in daily looks. And yeah, without wasting our time, let's get started. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन के बटन को क्लिक कर दीजिए टू गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस एंड लाइक माय वीडियो एंड या शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. So our very first step is moisturization. So whatever this look is about, your daily routine, your party look, your outing look, whatever it is, moisturization is the basic and must step for your skin hydration. So here I am using this Skin Potion Radiant Beauty Facial Oil. Just 3 drops are required. 1, 2, 3. This is not a drop, I am just putting the remaining ones. So our second step is hiding our dark circles. So for that I am using this Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer Palette. So I'll use this orange one as color corrector. So our third step is prepare our base. So since it's a daily look, so don't need much concealer and foundation. So here I am using this Lakme 925cc cream. It's in beige shade, so whatever color is compatible with your skin color you can use that. So as fourth step I will use little eye shades. I'll use brown color, light brown color, like nude color we can say eye shades. So it will give quite bouncy look and will help in our contour as well. So here I am using this Beauty Glazed Color Board. I'll use this one. जब भी कभी आपको नेचुरल शेड्स के साथ जाना हो तो हमेशा ये वाला शेड्स यूज़ करें. Can you see the little difference? In the corner of the eyelid I'm using this yellow shade. Okay, so I have added little this color also in my shades just to match with my top. And yeah, I think I'm done with my eye makeup now. No, not done. Mascara and liner is remaining. So our next step is applying liner. So here I'm using this Blue Heaven liner. It's quite affordable and good in quality as well. So I'm done with my liner. Anyways, this eye makeup was just optional. Like I just wanted to match it with my top, so I did it. It's totally optional, you want to do it or not. If you don't want some highlighted colors, you can just keep it with this brown shades. And yeah. Can you see the difference? And don't put much like powder or liner, whatever you are using, because since it's a daily look, so we need to keep it quite decent. And the essential step is the highlighter. Don't forget to highlight your brows corner. It gives quite a shape to your brows and looks so nice. Just see the difference. Just curl my lashes because it gives quite nice look after applying mascara. And yeah, we'll apply mascara now. So here I'm using Maybelline the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. So I'm done with the eye makeup with the base, and now blush is remaining and lipstick is also remaining. So for blush I'm using this Wonder Puff Cushion, Nykaa's Wonder Puff Cushion lipstick, and its shade is not given. It's quite nude pink. Now just to contour my nose, I will use this Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's in 07 shade. Yeah, so I'm done with the nose contour, and now I just need to set my face with the face powder. So here I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. It's in 112 Natural Ivory shade. Since it's a daily look, so I don't want to use some dark colors. So here I am using this MP25 Rosy Lip shade. It's Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. Yeah, I'm done. Now we'll add little highlighter on the cheeks contour. Hey guys, so this was about today's videos, and I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. So yeah, don't forget to comment your suggestions and whatever you suggestions you have for me, or you wanna some new looks or whatever you want me to make videos, you can mention those in the comment section. And yeah, stay tuned, stay safe, and we'll meet in next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.